Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you love tech, unboxings, and simple tips, you are in the right place. So, in this video, we will talk about how to turn off Google Safe Search easily. For this, open the Google app on your device. Now, at the top right corner, tap on your profile icon. Now, tap on Safe Search option and just turn it off. There is one more option to turn it off. For this, go back to the previous page. Now, again, tap on your profile icon. Scroll down and click on the settings option. Now click on privacy and safety option. Now click on safe search option and just tap on off. And yeah, that's it. For Chrome, you just have to open Chrome app on your device. Now at the top right corner, tap on three dots, tap on settings option, tap on privacy and security option. Now scroll down and click on safe browsing and select standard protection option. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.